The Cuisinart air fryer convection oven will allow you to air fry, to bake, broil, and toast. It's multifunctional, and for health-conscious people, it's perfect because you can air fry with less oil, but you can do treats with it as well. Now, this cinnamon sugar donut bite is just the ticket. And let's get started with a little bit of yeast and some self-rising dough. After allowing my dough to rise for about an hour, it doubled in size. Then I pressed that down and divided by 16, taking each piece of dough and rolling it into the donut bite. Then I covered them up and placed them to rise again. You can see they're just about ready to go in and to be turned on. I'm going to set this to air fry, 350 degrees, and when they're ready to go, I'll turn it to 5 minutes, close it up, and it'll be ready to bake. My favorite thing about air frying is you get that familiar deep fried flavor, but without all of that fat and oil. And look at these donut bites. A little dip in some caramel sauce, and they're ready to go to the table.